Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last week and how the gold price can move in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, what you can see, I am showing a chart from 2020. Okay, if you look at this chart, we have seen there is a rise in the price of gold, and from there we have seen a decline in the price of gold. But if you look at this chart, what you have seen, we have seen a low at around 1671, which is already tested thrice. Get this in your subconscious mind, or some write it down somewhere, that 1677 is already tested thrice. Okay, so if the price comes close to around 1700, then there is high probability that it can go and cross a level of 1677. Okay, chances are high, but this is my personal view, what I can see looking at the charts. Okay, if it goes below 1700, then chances are high it can cross a level of 1677 also. Okay, before that I want to tell you, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this gold technical is working, as well as if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Okay, see, look at the price, look at the trend of the gold. Okay, it is trying to get narrow. Okay, and once there is a narrow pattern forming, there is a probability that if it crosses upside or downside, we can see sharp fall. Okay, now suppose if I show you with the help of trend, which I have already made you, you can check my previous video also, where I have told you that the price can go much higher. Okay, and once the price have reached to around 1750, I have told you that it can touch a level of 1770. And see, look at this trend. Once this trend breaks upside, then we can see it can go further high. But before that, you can see one more trend. We can see one more trend at this level. See, look at this level. Okay, we can see a trend at this level also. Okay, suppose if the price breaks a level of 1804 or 1805, if the price comes around close to this level, then we can see there can be a sharp rise in the price of gold, or it can go and touch a level of 1836 also. And this 1836, before that it has to stay above a level of 1809. Okay, and suppose if it stays above 1809 after crossing a level of 1805, then if it crosses above 1809, it can touch a level of 1836, which is already tested twice. So chances will be very high that it can go and touch a level of 1845, 1842. And once 1842 is touched, then if it stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1855. And once 1855 is crossed upside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1872, which is already tested twice as well as thrice. So chances will be very high that it can go and touch a level of 1885, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1897. Okay, so keep this in mind, that if it goes above a level of 1805, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1811. And once if it stays above this level, then we can see it can cross a level of 1837 also. Okay, suppose if the price didn't cross this trend line, okay, and if it goes below this trend line, that means if it goes below a level of 1762, okay, 1762, chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1743. Once if it goes below a level of 1762, chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1743. And once 1743 is touched, we can see, because 1743 is not tested twice, so chances will be very high it can bounce back from this level. Okay, but once suppose if it bounce back from this level, and if it comes again at this level, and then there will be a probability it can go and cross a level of and can reach a level of 1724. And once 1724 breaks downside, then what we can see that there is a probability that it can go and cross a level of 1700 also, and can touch a level of 1699. Okay, and 1699 is already tested twice, so chances what we can see, it can go and cross a level of 1677 also, and can touch a level of 1646. Okay, keep this in mind and write it down. Hope so. This is what I want to tell you in the for the next week. If you have any doubt, you can mail me also, but remember one thing, I always wanted to tell you for traders that if you are trading for a long term trader, I would always suggest a buy position, but this is my personal view. Okay, if you are looking for 3, 5 or 10 years, then buying is a good for investors. Okay, but if you are a trader or intraday trading positional trader, then always remember that if your profit, suppose if it is $100, if it comes down to 80, please exit the trade. Or if you made a loss of $30, I'm just assuming that your day limit loss is around 30, and profit also you can say, suppose if it suppose you are getting $100 per day, so once it comes down to 80, then exit the trade. Suppose if you didn't made a profit on that particular day and you made a loss of around $30, which is your day limit loss, then exit the trade for the day and then you trade next day. Okay, if you have any doubt or you want to know some psychological point, you can book an appointment also, link in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.